Okay, y'all, here's gold. I kind of neglected gold on Friday because I was really focused on NAS and I wanted to get in on NAS cuz I don't have that many opportunities to trade NAS cuz I primarily trade gold just because I'm comfortable with gold. I typically know how it moves and what it does. Another thing is you want to learn your pairs, learn your currencies, and just get real intimate with your currency so that you know how they move and you can kind of gauge what it's doing. You want to get to know what you're trading. You know, just to have, that knowledge will take you real far in your trading journey as well. So I did not pay much attention to gold um, on this Friday. I know. She had a problem with me not paying attention to her, but I had other things to do. Me and Nash was trying to find something, and we found it. So, gold has been on a downtrend lately. Let's look at it. I had so many. So it was up, and then just on Wednesday, the downtrend. Let me clear these charts. So let's look at this. Let's look at it. So we have gold here, and we have. Let me use a different one. I like using the little box sometimes because you can kind of manipulate the box to work for you. So we have a triple top still that has not changed because remember the daily time frame takes a while to evolve if something changes on it. So we got a triple top here. We got a triple, we have a top here and we have a top here. I just want to make it obvious. Oh no. I want to make it obvious so you'll know when you see it. Okay, this is gold. Take that down and put this one up like the others. Because I think we had this marked up last week. I'm not sure. But on the daily time frame, which is pretty darn significant if you have a trend, look, I don't know if this current candle, I don't think it's closed, but just look at how it's moving and breaking below this moving average. So if you can tell, with it breaking below the moving average, it's going to start looking like sales. Because look on the 4 hour, it's already deep into sales. Do not jump into these trades as soon as you see it pouring down. Wait for a pullback. I cannot stress the importance in how you need to wait so that you don't start getting in drawdown. You start getting in drawdown, your trades start going south, and you are like, I remember when I was in the market, very, very new, my first 6 months, I believe. I could not, for the life of me, make 25 cents on this. I couldn't make 25 cents and hold it. I would look, and I had a small account, like a super small account. I would look and try to get in and find perfect entries and exits, and for the life of me, I couldn't even make 25 cents in this market. But now that I understand why it's important, because I would always hear somebody saying, wait for a pullback, wait for this, wait for that, wait. You're going to spend most of your trading journey waiting, and it will pay off if you just wait. We got too much green on the chart. It will pay off if you would just wait. But if you are impatient and cannot wait, I don't know what to tell you, honey. I don't. So make sure you're waiting on these trades. So gold, we broke below the moving average. We're looking for a pullback into a supply zone or a level of support. For me, this is my trade and how I am going to look at this trade. So we would look for a pullback either to this level here, or sometimes it may pull back deep and it may go back to here, but anything beyond that would be like a supply zone or clearing these fair value gaps. So you look for it to do any of those, And then you'll wait for a candle to break that's going to show you that it's going to continue down. So you want a bearish candle. But there's a lot of fair value gaps and that it still needs to fill. So just be mindful of that. And the lower you get on these time frames, the more consolidation you'll see. You see how I'm dropping 5, 15, 30. Just be mindful of that. But once you get that rejection at the what is now resistance that was support, once you get that rejection at those levels to continue down, hop in you a trade. Don't be afraid. If you are afraid, that means you're over leveraged. So drop your size down. But yeah, that's how you do that. And even look at the 5 minute on gold. There's a double top here. I'm thinking it'll continue down. And we don't have any news for tomorrow. Maybe we'll have some on Tuesday. But when is the first of the year? I mean, the first of the month, y'all. I don't know when the first of the month is. But whatever that is, pay close attention to it. Make sure you're using proper risk management. That'll be something that I always tell y'all to do. And I'm ready for the market to open right now. If it open right now, I will be scouting, looking for entries and exits. And then one of the other things that will be really helpful for y'all is to pre-plan your trades. Pre-planning your trades, meaning that you have your stop loss, your take profit, and your entry and exit levels already preset before you enter a trade. That will help you greatly. A lot of times I like using buy stops and sell stops because I don't have to put my emotions into the market. So that's another key thing that you can do. But just take your time. Don't get frustrated. Keep pushing. If you're not getting it right now, keep going. I can't tell you how important it is to continue and not stop when this stuff becomes overwhelming, because you'll get to points and times when you're like, oh my God, I'm giving up. And stop throwing your money in here and just acting like you really don't care about the money you make. Because just be honest, if you have a 9 to 5 or whatever job you work, it's hard making an hourly wage. So when you get into these markets and put that money into these accounts, you want to handle it with care, because you don't want to have to keep blowing accounts, because then that kind of takes a toll on you mentally. So just do the right thing. Pay attention to the market. If it's not speaking to you or calling out anything according to your plan, don't get in and take it. It's very, very, very important that you not do that. But that's all. I'm not going to ramble. Thank y'all for stopping by. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn that notification bell on. And I'll see you in the markets this week, honey. Happy trading.